Hi folks, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about the tips and tricks that can help you fix sleep tracking not working issues on your Apple Watch and iPhone. Just in case your iPhone or Apple Watch isn't able to track sleep, then these tips can prove to be pretty helpful. So let's cut the chase. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. The very first solution that I would recommend you to try out is to ensure that wrist detection is turned on your Apple Watch. The reason why I recommend you to do it because it helps sleep tracking feature to work effectively, so make sure to enable it. To turn on this feature, launch Settings app on your Apple Watch, then you have to tap on passcode and then make sure that the toggle for wrist detection is turned on. You can do it from your iPhone as well. To do it, launch Watch app, then tap on passcode and then make sure that the toggle for wrist detection is turned on. The second solution that I would recommend you to try out is to ensure that fitness tracking is enabled both on your Apple Watch and iPhone. To get it done, all you have to do is launch Settings app on your iPhone, then you have to tap on Privacy, then you have to tap on Motion and Fitness, and then you have to make sure that the switches for fitness tracking and health are turned on. After that, you have to launch Watch app on your iPhone, then you have to make sure that My Watch tab is selected, then tap on Privacy, then you have to tap on Motion and Fitness, and then you have to ensure that the switches for fitness tracking and heart rate are turned on. Just in case sleep tracking is still not working, then it's time to restart both devices. If you want to restart your iPhone 10 or 11, all you have to do is press and hold either volume button and side button at once. And when the power off slider appears, you have to drag the slider and then you have to wait for 30 seconds to turn off your device. After that, you have to press and hold the side button again to turn on your device. Now, if you want to restart your iPhone SE 2020 or earlier iPhone, all you have to do is press and hold the side button, and when the power off slider appears, you have to drag it and then you have to wait for 30 seconds. After that, you have to press and hold the side button again to turn on your device. If you want to restart your Apple Watch, then all you have to do is press and hold the side button until you see power off slider, and then you have to drag the power off slider to turn off your Apple Watch. Once your Apple Watch had turned off, then you have to press and hold the side button again to turn it on. If sleep tracking issue has not yet been sorted out, then it's time to update the software. More often than not, Apple releases software updates with plenty of bug fixes and performance, improvements. That's why it is always recommended to keep the software updated. Now, if you want to update your iPhone, all you have to do is launch Settings app, then you have to tap on General, then you have to tap on Software Update, and then you have to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device. And if you want to update Apple Watch, all you have to do is launch Settings app, then you have to tap on General, then you have to tap on Software Update, and then you have to download and install the latest version of watchOS on your Apple Watch. If nothing has worked, then it's time to go for a radical solution. And with radical solution, I mean unpairing your Apple Watch from iPhone and pairing it again. It's worth noting that when you unpair your Apple Watch from iPhone all the data is automatically backed up, and you get the option to restore all of your Apple Watch data while setting up your device. That's why you don't need to worry about losing your data while unpairing your Apple Watch from iPhone. To get started, make sure to keep your Apple Watch and iPhone close together as you unpair them. After that, you have to launch Watch app on your iPhone, then make sure that My Watch tab is selected, and then tap all watches. Now you have to tap on info button next to the watch that you want to unpair. After that, you have to tap on unpair Apple Watch. It is worth noting that if you are using GPS plus cellular Apple Watch models, make sure to choose or remove your cellular plan as per your need. If you want to pair your Apple Watch and iPhone again, then I would recommend you to keep your plan. And if you don't want to pair your Apple Watch and iPhone again, then I would recommend you to get rid of the plan. If you are going to pair with a different watch or iPhone, then you might have to contact your carrier to cancel your cellular plan. Alternately, you can launch Settings app on your Apple Watch, then tap on General, then tap on Reset, and then tap on Erase all content and settings. After that, you have to enter your passcode and confirm. Before restoring your iPhone as new, make sure to back it up fully because it will wipe out all the existing data of your device and install the latest version of iOS. So make sure to back up everything. And after that, you have to connect your iPhone to your computer. If your Mac is running macOS Catalina or later, you have to use Finder. And if your Mac is running macOS Mojave or earlier, or if you have PC running Windows, then you have to use iTunes. So connect your device to your computer, and then you have to launch Finder or iTunes. You have to select your device, and then you have to restore it. Hopefully you have found the right solution to fix this problem and sleep tracking has started to work normally. Now that you have fixed the issues, let me know the solution that worked for you. And if you know any other trick of fixing this issue, then tell me about that as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.